Creative and fun learning. DI painted rocks. In a sun-drenched classroom, on a beautiful Friday afternoon, the children's eyes sparkled with anticipation as their educator, Master Mia, announced today's creative and fun learning project. DI painted rocks. Let's create our very own masterpieces, she exclaimed. Master Mia passed out the river rocks, one by one. Each child picked up their stone, feeling its cool, smooth texture between their fingers. They marveled at the variety of colors before them. Vibrant blues, fiery reds, soothing greens, and playful yellows. The children dipped their brushes into the paint pots and began to bring their creative visions to life. They painted swirling patterns, intricate designs, and friendly creatures on their rocks. Laughter filled the room as they shared ideas and tips with one another. As the sun began to dip below the horizon, the room was filled with a warm, golden glow. The children worked diligently, adding final touches to their painted rocks, each one unique and beautiful in its own way. Master Mia called for everyone to gather around and show off their completed masterpieces. Each child beamed with pride as they held up their rocks, displaying the vibrant colors and intricate designs that now adorned them. With a sense of excitement, the children headed outside to find secret hiding spots for their painted rocks. They placed them beneath trees, behind benches, and even tucked them into flower pots. Back inside the classroom, the children sat down and eagerly awaited their special guests, the other students at the school who would soon be discovering the painted rocks hidden around the grounds. One by one, the other students began to find the hidden treasures, the painted rocks. Each discovery was met with cheers and applause as the children watched their friends' creations being discovered. Excitedly, the children traded the painted rocks they had found for others, each one adding a new piece of art to their growing collection. They laughed and played together, sharing stories about the creative process behind each rock. As the afternoon turned into evening, the children continued to trade painted rocks, each one learning from the other's unique styles and ideas. They giggled and shared stories about their creative process, creating a sense of camaraderie amongst them. As the last of the sun slipped below the horizon, the children begrudgingly said their goodbyes to their new friends. They packed up their paints and collected their painted rocks, carrying them home with a sense of accomplishment. That night, as the children lay in bed, they thought back on the day's events, the laughter, the creativity, and the friendships formed. They knew that the memories of the DIY Painted Rocks project would stay with them forever, inspiring them to continue exploring their imaginations and creativity.